Here I feel the gap. I mean the scratchy right here. I'm going to squeeze just a little bit in. And I love that how it go really precise. So it's go around on the base of the crystal. You feel right here. But it's not going to coat it and seals on the top of the crystal, because that's what you want it to be. Just, you know, seal around to secure in the base of the crystal, but not on the top of it, because you don't want to like covers all the sparkle and it's really sealed. You can't like even get this off unless you have your crystal clipper. And then make sure when you ask the clients to clear this particular 3D like a big, this is a big crystal. It's like at a size probably is 8 to 10 millimeter. It's really good size. Like it's, I would say about a size of the 3 carats or 4 carats of a diamond. This one like 2 carats of a diamond, like if you are having a diamond ring or like a gemstone. So this is a big good size, you know. So make sure you ask the client to till the clients their nails back and forth, so then it can clear from all different angles, like 360 degree of an angle of all of the nails. So then that way the UV LED can penetrate on all different gap here and then clear completely your condensed glue gels and a matte top coat. So that way your crystals will stay on weeks to come, like at least 4 weeks plus. All right, clear for 60 seconds. And like that is today's we like even doing a 5